We are very glad to be done hiking today. Today was a big day and it was wonderful. We are at a campsite. So there's not very many tent sites here. And that's kind of the problem. Shelter's back there. Shelter is like a last resort for me in regards to weather, safety. If we were the only ones in the shelter, then I would feel like pretty good about sleeping there. All that to say, I am going to set up tent here, and it's not great. Let me see if I can kind of show you. So it's little, and it's a little bit dipped. So it could be really interesting. I don't mind all being smushed together because we're kind of like that anyway. It's very much close quarters in our tent, which is fine. We've gotten used to that. Yeah, so I'm just thinking about that. Okay, an hour later, I finally have the tent sort of up. This has been my very, very hardest tent set up in all of my camping days. It was kind of impossible to set up here, but it was our last choice. I mean, look at that. That's the best I can do. And it's rocky, and I can't stake it down, and there's ripples in it. Ugh, whatever. We've got an entrance over here. Thankfully, we have 4 choices to get into the tent, and this is, so that'll work. Oh, man. That's frustrating. It'll be an interesting night. I'll let you know how it goes tomorrow. Okay, finally have the tent set up and ready in that regard. Thank goodness. Geez, that took forever.
Area something, and we spotted him, and we could actually see him feet. It's part of that goes on for probably 6 miles out that way.
I was gonna ride all the way out before. I'm on that road with no shoulder and people not paying attention.
Yeah, it's not a good one.
Oh my God, you're not gonna believe this. Okay, so there's a bear here. There's a bear here at this shelter. I was making boiling water. We were up at the shelter, boiling water, and there's several tents here. Mine, 3 others right here. We heard a ruckus in the woods. There's also a thru hiker in a hammock right here. And there was such a ruckus. I turned my boiling water off real fast. We ran down there. He was collapsing somebody's tent. Thank God it wasn't mine. Thank you, Jesus. There is a bear in the woods right there. And so I am not sleeping here with my kids. They're trying to scare him deeper in the woods. He took the tent. I wish I could tell you I was joking. We are hightailing it in the shelter. Safety in numbers. He took the tent. There was nothing in the tent.
Yeah. What? I gotta come back anyway.
Okay, so I'm going to take down my tent real fast. And
If you need some help, let me know.
thank you. Oh my God. Oh my God. I told Nora and Bentley to get on that tent bunk and they do not move their butts. It is just a black bear, but that's not normal. That is not normal behavior. I saw it. I thought I was going to see a bear today, but not like this. Well, I saw a bear, but this is really sucky. His sleeping pad, his sleeping bag. It's 3 friends, three grown men friends on their on a week section hike. There was nothing in his tent, no smellables in his tent. I do not I do not understand this. Oh my God. There was a bear right there attacking his tent.
Do you guys need any help?
I gotta get busy. It's officially the fastest I have ever taken down my tent. Oh my God. I am hightailing it out of there, wearing my bear spray. Yeah, all the hikers are like, you don't need bear spray. The bears don't come at you. They won't do anything. I thought that. This bear is a little brave. To be fair, I read on Far Out, you know, the app, that this area has a bear that enjoys scavenging for tidbits of food. Perhaps someone left something great in a tent once and it thought that it could go get it. So, alrighty then.
6 minutes ago.
Stay there.
Is it obviously bear spray?
It says counter assault on the side.
Bear horn. Both knives.
If I wear my shorts. Yeah.
That.
Madeline, you got it?
That's a smart photo.
Oh, yeah. The important things are protected. When in doubt, we'll chuck some more at the bear.
Somebody do something with it?
What?
The bag with the Ziploc, did you guys?
It's in the trash.
Okay.
I'm hanging it.
Okay, I just wasn't sure. I didn't want it to stick around, you know?
Oh, no, we're hanging it. Oh, we thought we would sleep with it.
Oh, I just didn't want to.
I like this guy. We need to trade the. Yeah, I'm gonna look for
Holy smokes.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay. Woo. Here we go, Bear.
It's down there.
He's right here.
Oh my gosh.
We see you, boy.
I'm gonna blow it.
Man, he's not even moving when you do that.
Really?
Yeah, straight in front of you, between the two trees, just past that crooked tree.
Mama, where is he? Well, honey, he's... Oh, be careful. Okay. Be careful. Be careful down there.
You don't see, he's to the left.
Off to your left.
Yeah, move to your left.
10 o'clock.
Stand up.
Big
straight in front
shadow.
of you. Straight in front of you, right beside the crooked tree.
Huge shadow to the left.
Left.
Did he move when I threw that rock?
He's by the creek.
He went right in there.
Who is this guy? Do y'all know him?
You.
Yeah.
And he's sitting on the trail, like just
On the
looking
trail,
at me.
he's kind of got his head twisted.
Yeah, he's sideways.
And
And the sign's there to point to the
Yeah, and he's,
campsite.
like,
And I was
hiding
like,
behind the sign
I don't want to
there.
get out from behind the sign because then it's just.
Did he seem sluggish? It seemed like he was like.
No, he's confident. It's
Yeah,
bull.
he seemed like he didn't care at all. About it. It's like, oh, what you gonna do? I've dealt too hard. Like,
I'm not what you gonna do.